How to log in into Lowes credit card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Lowes credit card and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on this one, Lowes.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Lowes. Now scroll down. Over here, you're gonna find different card options. Go ahead and click on the card that you wanna log in for. Click on Pay and Manage Account option. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now you have to log into your account using your credentials. Firstly, type in your user ID and then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten password or user ID, you can click on these options given over here to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log in into Lowes credit card account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.